Hello guys, welcome to Passive Earn. In this video, I'm going to showing you how you can create one professional business email on Hostinger. And as you can see, if you use Gmail, then your email will be shown like that. And here you will use gmail.com domain. And if you use your professional business email, then it will be like support@yourdomain.com, which will look very professional. And if you get Hostinger hosting, then they're saying that here you can create up to 100 professional domain based business email. So I think it's a great opportunity. So if you haven't got your hosting yet for your business, then I think this hosting can be very helpful. Anyway guys, in this video I'll show you how you can create this type of business email by using this hostinger. And the method that I will show you in this video, it will work only when your domain and hosting both are from hostinger. If in any case your hosting is from hostinger but your domain is from other domain provider like Namecheap, like GoDaddy, Bluehost, any kind of other domain provider, then this method will not work. If you are the person who fall in this category, then just watch the video given in the I button, because in this case you have to follow some another method. As you can see, this facelesscashcow.com, this domain I have purchased on namecheap.com. So the method that I am going to showing you in this video, if I use this method in this domain, then I will not be able to create the business email. But as you can see, this graduateninja.com, this domain I have purchased on Hostinger dashboard. That's why, as my hosting is from Hostinger, my domain is from Hostinger, so both are from Hostinger, so I can easily create the business email address by using this process that I am going to showing you in this video. I hope you got the clear idea guys. If your domain and hosting both are from Hostinger, then watch this video. And if your domain is from another domain provider, hosting is from Hostinger, then just watch the video given in the I button. In this case you have to follow another process. I hope you get idea. So now what to do? At first you have to go to this email section. Let me go to this email section guys, and then here just you have to click here manage. And if this is your first email for this domain, here you will get setup option. You can just click here setup, but as this is not my first email, that's why I have to click here on this manage button. And after clicking on this manage button, here you will get the option to create email. You have to click on this email accounts, and from this email account section you will see all your previous emails. Basically, see, this is the email that I have created previously. That's why I haven't seen here setup button. But in your case, if this is your first email, then you will see one setup button. You have to just click here on this setup. But as this is not my first email, that's why I have done these things. And after coming here, I have to click on this create new email, and then here you have to give the name. Let's say I want to create one email like help@graduateninja.com. That means @yourdomain.com. You cannot change this part, you can just change this part. And you can make this email one admin email, but in my case I do not want. And then here you have to set up your password. Let's say the password is this password that I have set, and there have password recovery email address. You can also set up your password recovery email address. Let's say I'll give my recovery email address as this email, and then if I just click here create new account, then let's see what happened. It will provide you the URL. That means you have to log in to this URL. Just click here and then visit to this URL, and here you will see the email. You have to copy this email from here. Let me copy, and here just copy your password. And here you can access the webmail. They have mobile app also. You can install their mobile app from here also. See, and they have mobile app on Play Store. You can install. Anyways, now we will log in to this webmail. So in here you have to insert your email, and here you have to insert the password. Let's say this is the password. Now if I log in, then you will see your webmail dashboard. But see, before that they are saying that confirm password recovery email. Okay, this is the password recovery email. And then if I just click here confirm, then let's see what happened. You can do it later also. See guys, this is the dashboard. Here you have to set up your display name. Let's say your display name is guard ninja help, and here you can set up your profile picture. Let me add one profile picture here. Let's say this is the profile picture. You can here increase the size and then just click here save, and then the profile picture will be set also. See guys, the profile picture has been added and the name has been added also. And then if I click here next, you can add here your signature. Let's say I will give the name, you can give here signature name, and here you can add signature. Let's say I will add signature as Dhruvo, and there have different types of font. You can change the font, you can change the font size. Let's say I'll give here 24. You can bold it, you can italic it, you can underline here, you can add different color. I'm not adding color. You can also insert here link. You can add here one image also. Let's say I'll insert here one image. Just keep your cursor and then upload your image. See guys, this is the image. So here in this way you can upload image. You can add here HTML also, and then just click here save. And what will happen, whenever you will write any email, then automatically this signature will be attached with this email. And here you can select by default signature. You can create here multiple signature, and you can add any signature that you want basically. I hope you get idea. Now let me go back to my email. You can now download their application. See, they have application on App Store and Google Play. You can download it. So these are the things, and as you can see, here is the inbox. All your mails will be stored here, and then you will be able to see all your sent email here under this sent section. If I go to the sent section, there is no email because I haven't sent any email yet. And then they have spam. If you have any spam email, you can see all your spam email here. All your archive email will be stored here. All your trash email will be stored inside this trash section, and your scheduled email will be stored in this scheduled section. So these are the things. Now let's say here have a lot of feature guys. Let me show you. See here, let's say you want to send one email to one person. How to do it? Just click here on this button, compose button, and here insert the email. Let's say the email address will be support@graduateninja.com. Here you can give subject hello, uh, what about your project. Let's say this is the subject. Here you can add your text. Let's say let me know the progress of your project. Let's say this is the text, and here see the signature has been added automatically. You can customize this signature, you can remove this signature now. And they have email tracking, reminder, template, and contact group option. But these features are pro feature. You have to upgrade basically, but we do not want to upgrade. It's not very necessary. And see, they have a lot of other feature. They have font size. They have a lot of functionality. You can use this functionality. And then if you just click here send, then it will be sent now, and you can send it later, but you have to upgrade for this basically. And you can attach here any file, image. You can insert emoji, you can insert signature. If you want to insert different signature, just click here and then you can insert here different signature. And they have a formatting option basically. So let's say we want to send it now, just click here send, and then it will be sent. And then you can undo it. If you upgrade, you can view the message basically from here. See, if I go to the send section, all your sent message will be shown here. And now if the person view your email, and then if they reply, all your replies will be stored here. I hope you get idea guys. And then they have feature in this setting. See, they have preferences. They have enabled dark theme. You can enable the dark theme, and it's very comfortable for the eye, I think. So you can enable it. And then they have show reading pane. You can also show the reading pane here. Okay, let me show it. And then they have download mobile app feature, configure third party apps. And let me visit to this third party app, what app they are providing here. They are providing here Outlook, Gmail, a lot of other things. So you can configure these things basically from here. And then they have some keyboard shortcut, and they have preferences. If I go to this preferences, then see a lot of feature available here. You can change your name, your password recovery email. You can change, you can see your email account storage, and you can change your password. And then they have general section. Here you can change your language. You can see here select show unread email count for all folders. So different things are available. You can get notification. And then email tracking, you can set up, you can set up different rules. And see, inside this rule section, you can give the rule name. Let's say rule 1. And then here you can select the automation basically. Let's say from, let's say a specific email. Let's say support@graduateninja.com. There have a lot of conditions. See, from, send to, CC to me, subject include, subject or body includes, has attachment. So you can select anything. That means when an incoming email meets the below condition, then what happen, you have to select here. Let's say move to where, move to let's say trash, anything you can select basically, and then just click here create rule. Okay, let me delete it, and then just click here create rule, then this rule will be created. So in this way you can create multiple rule basically, and then you can automate your progress. You can edit the rules and you can delete. So let me delete it because I do not want to keep this rule here. And then they have priority inbox. You can also select priority inbox basically from here. If you enable it, then you can select which person you want to keep on this priority list. So these are the things. After that, they have signature. You can create different signature here. Just click here add a signature, and then you can create unlimited number of signature here, and then you can select one default signature. This signature will be added automatically, but if you want, you can change the signature. After that, they have forwarding. You can forward your emails to Bing, and you can forward your emails to Gmail or Outlook. Let's say I want to forward the emails to one of my Gmail. Just click here add, and here insert your forward email. Let's say I have inserted one of my gmail.com email here, and then they're saying that we will send a confirmation code to this email address, and you can keep a copy of incoming email in your Titan inbox. You can keep it if you select yes, and you can remove it if you select no. Let's say I want to keep it, and then just click here next, and then they're saying that here they have sent one confirmation code, so you have to get this confirmation code basically. So let me find this confirmation code. This is basically one of my another email. So let me see, check my email basically from here, and then I will insert the code here. So I have got the email, guys. As you can see here, I hope you can see, guys, here is the email from Titan, and it will provide you one code. So let me enter the code. The code is 806912. So I have inserted the code, and then just click here start forwarding. Then let's see what happens. See, it will start now on the forward process basically. So if anyone sent any email to this email address, which is help at the rate of my domain graduateninja.com, this email will be forwarded automatically to this email address basically. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. And then they have auto reply. Here you can set up the auto reply feature also. Just enable this auto reply. Here you can basically set up your auto reply. I'm not setting up, but you can set up. After that, they have import contact. You can import contact from Gmail and from CSV, and they have 2FA. You can set up 2FA, and then they have send as alias option. So if I just click here send as alias, it's one pro functionality, so I'm not going here anymore. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get the basic idea about hosting your business email. And if you get hosting your hosting, then you can get this type of business email basically. As you can see, if I show you my email address from here, let me show you the email address. See, guys, this is my email address, help at the rate of graduateninja.com. It looks very nice, right? If I go to this email section, and from here, if I enter to my manage section, and then let me show you how good looking the emails are. So if you think is you need business email address or professional email address for free, then you can get this Hostinger hosting. Just click on the link given in the description of this video and get Hostinger hosting with 80% discount. And as you can see, this is the email, support at the rate of graduateninja.com, help at the rate of graduateninja.com, and you can create up to 100 emails like that, guys. That's really insane. So if you think, guys, you need this type of email address, if you think you will get this Hostinger hosting, then just go to the link given in the description and get Hostinger hosting with at least 70 to 80% discount. And it's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing hosting plan, then I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing hosting plan. And the last thing is, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.